Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about our $500 swing trading small account challenge. We're going to be talking about how much money we made or how much money we lost during this past week. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe. And if you guys are watching and you're like, who is this random guy? My name is Carter. I am a full-time 7-year swing trader in the stock market. So we do have an amazing community, amazing school where I teach people my strategies, my approach, how I find these opportunities. So check it out down below. We have an amazing holiday sale. You guys can get 51% off by using code XMIS24. 51% off is one of the largest sales we've ever done. So check it out down below. It's not a get rich quick scheme. It's not alerts or anything like that. It's honest strategies that I've used over the past 7 years of trading. So check it out down below. And guys, let's jump into this. All right. So like I said, about 22 weeks ago, we decided to fund a MOOMOO account, which is a trading broker, with $500. And the reason why is because a lot of new traders think that you need to have thousands or millions of dollars in order to make it or, be profitable. When in reality, what makes up a successful trader isn't these massive returns. It's the small returns that just compound over time. Now, right now, our total account is sitting in around about $1,600 from $500. That is awesome. That is fantastic. And yes, I'm not making $100 a day. I'm not making enough to live off of. But if you had like a full-time job or a part-time job and you were trying to make some money trading, swing trading is going to be the best option. So this past week here, we made near and around $71 off of one trade, which is always good. Profit is profit, and I will take 4% any week. And one of the things that a lot of people get mixed up about with trading is, oh, Carter, you've only doubled $500 into $1,600. Yeah, but if this was a $1,000 account or a $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 account, guys, we'd be sitting near and around almost about $9,000 with a couple $1,000 account. So, the only thing that's separating you from making more money with, a good strategy is just your account size. And as long as you have patience, you'll be fine. So let's actually turn to the computer. Let's look at our more recent trade. So let's go. All right. So this past week here, we took a nice trade with ticker symbol MLI. Now, looking at this chart here, what do we notice? The first thing you guys will see is this great trend. Trend, in my opinion, is probably one of the most underutilized things new traders don't even pay attention to. They expect a stock on a downward trend to magically recover, when in reality, it's always better just to find a stock with buying pressure, and recent tendencies of support. So looking at this play here, you guys will notice that in the past here, what happened when it hit this blue line? It hit it and we had that good move, right? So recently the stock sold off down to that level again. So it hit that support level. That's the first thing or second thing we look for. The next thing is looking at the RSI. At the time, it was trading for near and around a 32, which the last time it was trading for a 32 was back, in this range where it followed by good buying pressure. Previous to that was in here where we had good buying pressure. So now I'm looking at it and I go, okay, the stock has an upward trend. It sold off down to that 90-day moving average line, also that blue line, which is a support line. It's undervalued on the RSI. What else do we look for? So one of the things that I think is incredibly important is to look at lower time frame because, different time frames give different perspectives. So with this play here, the stock was just on this kind of downward trend. We'll remove the moving average line so you guys can see just this general trend line. Now, the stock broke out, and this is exactly where we got in on this trade. The stock broke out and started to rally its way up. Boom, 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 boom. And now, in the matter of a couple of days, how much were we up, right? At one point with this trade, right, we were up like 7%. We kept our stop loss relatively tight. And then, we kept it around here. Let's go ahead and draw it out. We kept it around this range. And then as the stock dipped down this morning, we just took our profit. So this was a pure daily, right? Daily support on the 90, but also a 1 hour time frame breakout. Those two combinations have made me thousands of dollars from trading. So this is how you guys can start trading, is building that checklist, right? So stock on an upward trend. What's the daily? What's the RSI? Where are the moving average lines? This is what makes up a trader. Lower time frame, getting in on a breakout. And if you guys are watching and you're like, Carter, I want to become a trader, but I don't know where to start. The first thing I would do is focus on education. With most things in life, the more you learn, the more you're going to earn, right? So trading is the exact same thing. The second thing I would do is paper trade. I would open up a MOOMOO account, which is the broker I'm using there, and I would start paper trading. Paper trading will really help with building your strategy. It will help with your entries, your exits, your risk management skills. And then the last thing I would do is just start small, right? I would start with $100, $200 and just mess around, build up the emotional tolerance with your trades. And then you could go a little heavier, or you could just try to grow that account. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one when we hopefully make some money next week. So like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys. Take care.